Hello everyone, so today we're gonna be playing Aeroplane Story 2 with my cousin Samik.
Hello guys.
So let's go. Let's go there. So we have to wait. Alright, so it started.
Where is our seats?
I don't know.
Yours. It's mine.
Wait, we're the only people playing.
What?
I guess we have to play alone. Hello everyone, welcome back. Airplane 2. My name is Keely. I will be your pilot in this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. If you don't know, last time I played Aeroplane Story with Mustafa. But now I'm playing with Samik, my cousin. Alright, you heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day and this is the reason we are here. Alright, enough chatting. Please find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I don't know. Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Follow me. Sama, come on.
Okay.
Here. What's this? And remember, no one should know about this. Did anyone else see that?
I see.
Welcome to the presidential airplane. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Okay, let's follow him into the next room. We're here. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there's something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Please do everything he say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Oh no!
I'm sorry.
Samik, what did you do? Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess, or else we'll have to lock you for the rest of the flight. Oh no!
I'm sorry. I'm digging.
I saw some brooms. Come on. I'm afraid Sonic will have to wait somewhere else. No!
Oh, I'm dying.
The president is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Now I have to play alone. Why didn't you grab a broom? Why didn't you grab a broom to clean with me? Or else you would have stayed alive.
Where was it?
It was where I was going. You should have followed me. President built that brick wall. Ronald, wait, what?
Why is he so angry?
I'm sorry. It's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Roblox Estates. Alright, from next time we won't play this game's sequels, okay? Because we all die. You must know you are heroes for this nation. Yay! We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? That chef off this plane.
He's so angry.
Yeah. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Mujar 50, you look like a great chef.
He's so good.
But Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. No! Don't throw me! Fine, I'll do it! Fine, I'll do it! Mosiah 50. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can, but be quick. Alright, don't worry. Are you ready? Yeah, time to cook.
Ready, Musli?
Yeah. The soup needs salt.
Where is the salt? Here is the salt.
Here.
Put it.
The soup needs corn. Where did corn?
There's the.
Oh, there.
It's the corn. Put it.
The soup needs potato.
Where is put it? Put it.
The soup needs cabbage.
Cabbage. Put it.
The soup needs apple.
There is it.
food is ready. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. No, I will not take a seat. I need to rest somewhere else. You made me cook. I'm going back. I don't want to be with you anymore. Ah! Alright, so it's the end of this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.